Hello, my name is Glennceria and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Welcome everyone. Before we get started with this video, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. I really do. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Come on, let's get into this video. We are still working on our shower steamer series. It's coming to an end soon. Well, let's get with packaging and labeling Mother Earth today, okay? Come on, let's get into this video. All right, so what I have here, I have Mother Earth. I decided to go ahead on and take it upon myself and seal them for you. So we have more time. Okay, so we have our Mother Earth shower steamers. Okay. We have label, front label, and we have the back label. Okay. So what do? We take our front label, we try to get that corner that we can peel off. I got it. There we go. We place it on our tag. I fold the corners in if it's too big and it doesn't fit. I have my hole puncher, punch my hole, and we need bags for these. So I think I'm going to go with some color. I think for Mother Earth, I'm going to put them in these blue bags. Okay? These blue bags, you can get them from the dollar store. I believe that's where I got them from. So we place our Mother Earth shower steamer in the bag. I slide it in the corner. I twist. I have my tag with the ribbon already on it. I place it. Hold it down on the table with my other finger in my hand. Now I'm tying a knot. Once I tie the knot, let me bring it to the front. Tie a bow. How is everyone doing today? Are you all doing great? I hope you're doing good. All right. Cut the tip. And there we go. So you have your shower steamer, you have your label, your front label, and you have your back label. All right? And that's Mother Earth. Mother Earth. So let's go over the recipe. The recipe that I gave out for these shower steamers are, and it will be listed in the description so you don't have to go grab a pencil real quick and paper. 2 cups of baking soda. 1 cup of citric acid, 1 cup of citric acid, 1 tablespoon of essential oil or fragrant oil of your choice. You also going to need a small bottle with witch hazel or water inside of it to spritz just to get it to the consistency that you need in order to place it in the molds. That's it. You also need bath bomb molds, or any molds you choose to use of your choice. These are only used to be in the shower. This is not a bath bomb. There's too many essential oils in this to be used in the bath, okay? Only in the shower. And in Mother Earth, we have eucalyptus and rosemary essential oil, okay? So that's the recipe. Alrighty. Get the tags going here. The quote of today is, create your own happiness. Let me say that again. The quote of today is, create your own happiness. Don't wait for somebody to make you happy. You make yourself happy, okay? Be at peace with yourself. Make your own self happy. There we go. Into a new year. Isn't that something? 2021. Wow. Shower steamers. Shower steamers. You place the shower steamer after you open it up behind you in the shower when you're taking your shower. So as the water hits the shower steamer, it will let out the essential oils that we use. Okay? And then so while you're taking your shower, you just relaxing and inhaling it. If you're sick, I have Feel Better. Also, Mother Earth will help you if you have a cold or you congested and you're not feeling well and you feel stuffy. We made Feel Better, and now we have Mother Earth that can help you out, okay? I also have Mother Earth in a soap. I have Mother Earth in body butter. Now we have bath truffles, and now we have our shower steamers to go along with it. Okay, moving right along here. Moving right along. Any suggestions that you would like for me to do or make? Something that I haven't made yet that you're interested in looking at? Leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions of anything you would like for me to make for you, okay? Or talk about. All right? So just make a comment down below. All right? I can't believe it. We're in another year and it went so fast. It really did. It went so fast. Isn't that nice? Mother Earth. Do you like the blue bags or do you prefer the clear bags? You can still see that it's a shower steamer. Sometimes you need to change things up, you know? Let's put our label on our tag here, our front label. Like so. We have it there. And we have the back label on it. Put our hole puncher. Get our hole in there. And now we need our ribbon. So the blue goes with the blue. That's nice. Our ribbon. And I believe with this series, we have 2 more to make. I would like to make Paradise, which is Lang-a-Lang essential oil. And I would also like to make, what's another one I can make? I can't, oh, Heavenly Lavender, which is lavender. Let's get some lavender in there in case you want to lay down and relax. Take a nice shower before you go to bed. I'll make Heavenly Lavender, okay? So we'll make those 2 this week coming up, hopefully. After we finish labeling these. I think I can squeeze it in this week. Heavenly Lavender and Paradise. One of my favorites. I enjoy these 2. You know, when you just want to kick back and relax. And they're nice gifts too to give away. Look at that. I think that's adorable. There we go. Our shower steamer. And we have one more here. So we have our back label already on it. Yep, back label's there on it. Let's put the front label. Make sure you get a corner. Get a corner. There you go. Nope. Let's try another corner. See, I'm not going to frustrate myself. I just find another corner, and there we go. Got it. Place it. Okay, make sure my ends are nice. Get my hole puncher, make my hole. I have my ribbon here. There's my ribbon. Move this stuff over to the side. My bag is here. We have our shower steamer. Mother Earth. You can't smell anything now. Everything is double wrapped, it's sealed. Can't smell a thing. And now it's going into a bag. So all of the goodness is sealed inside. I twist it. Place my label in the front. Place this down where I can hold it, have some type of support. There you go. Bring it to the front. Tie some kind of bow or whatever you can do to tie them. That's it. Going over the shower steamers, remember they only can be used in the shower, not in your tub. It's too much essential oil to be used in your tub. Not safe, only in the shower. And there we go. And let me read the label. The label says, Mother Earth Shower Steamer, handmade natural aromatherapy, eucalyptus and rosemary essential oils, 3.5 ounces. Okay? There we go. And we are finished. Let's bring them back. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, isn't that nice? Absolutely beautiful. All right, so we're done. So Mother Earth is packaged and ready to go. They will be placed in my Etsy shop. Don't worry, they're there, okay? Have a good day. Love you. From Glennceria Loving Hands. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Enjoy your Monday.